No matter who you are or what your age may be, if you want to achieve permanent, the motivation that will drive you towards that goal must come from within.
Damn, dude.
Ready, man?
I'm ready, man.
When you walk through a storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of a storm, there's a golden sky and the sweet silver song of love. Walk on through the wind. Walk on through the rain. For your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on, walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never
On their way.
My God, we're just asking you questions
Simple,
and you want
simple.
to start popping off.
Film this, man.
What do you want them to film? What do you think's going to happen?
It's some bullshit. You're literally just handcuffing me because I wasn't even doing
Sit on
anything.
the step right here. Sit on the
Failing
step.
to identify
Notice I'm the
yourself
only
during
black one in
investigation.
the group, though. Notice that. Oh, yeah.
I didn't even realize
That's
that
what
you
it
were
is.
black.
As you call them, they call you when they need something. Trees for the blunt, to G's for the front. I found a way to get peace of mind for years and left the hell alone. Turn a deaf ear to the cellular phone. Send me a letter or better, we can see each other in real life. Just so you can feel me like a steel knife. At least so you can see the white of their eyes. Bright with surprise once they finish spitting lies. Associates is your boys, your girls, bitches, niggas, homies. Close, but really don't know me. Mom, dad, comrade, peeps, brothers, sisters, duns, dunnies. Some come around when they need some money. Others make us laugh like the Sunday funnies. Fan be around whether you pay the bundle. You could either ignore this advice or take it from me. Be too nice, some people take you for a dummy. So nowadays he ain't so friendly. Actually, they wouldn't even made a worthy enemy. Read the signs, no feeling in the bathroom. Seeing as how they got your back bleeding from the stab wounds. Y'all know the dance, they smile in your face, y'all know the glance. Try to put them on, they blow a chance. Never let your so-called mans know your plan. A soul hands is a term some people use loosely. I'm real choosy on what I choose to let cruise see. You telling me, try to act broke. Jealousy the #1 killer among black folk. Fellas be under some type of spell like crack smoke. Ghetto Cinderellas lead them right to your stack low. Just another way a chick will lead to your end. I checked the dictionary for the meaning of friends. It said person one likes to socialize, sympathize and help her, and that's about the size of it. Most of the time these attributes is one-sided. To most of the crime they after shoot through your eyelid and they can't hide it. Going wild like a wild bitch. Sometimes you can cut niggas off like a light switch. And when things get quiet, to catch him like a thief in the night. What a right. I first met Mr. Fantastic at an arms deal. Don't let it get drastic. Think of how your moms will feel when they get for real. Still get the sparking. Everything darkened. Ain't no talking. Something so cheap and so buys a lot of trouble. They better all focus and trying to plot the bubble. Or else it'd be a sad note to them.